Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Triads. Today we are in Drouwenerzand in the Netherlands and we are only here for one attraction, the XLR8 in the background over here. I really want to do this attraction because this attraction is for sale at this moment and I don't know if I'm gonna do this attraction again. So I really don't want to do this because this attraction is already in 2015 here in the park, built by KMG. So and as you can see, it has a lot of force I can see. So we're gonna do this attraction.
I can see and I can listen also.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this attraction. We're gonna see you when we're coming off and give our opinion about this one. Okay, see you soon.
Wow.
Ja, dat is toch wel even de achterhoofdje van toch terug op aarde.
Ja.
Lekker.
Wauw. Nice.
Lekker. Echt nice. Hoppa, nooit.
Oh.
Ja, dat is
Wow, nice.
echt nice. Zou het nog een keer gaan?
Ja.
Ja. Hoppa. Ja.
Nice. Oh. Voelt je wel dat gek is dat ik moet bekomen zo.
Ja, even toch wel.
Ja, hè?
Ja. Dit is wel gedaan.
Whoa, we're just coming from Accelerate. Wow. This one is really forceful.
You
Really
feel the
forceful.
power, huh?
Yes, it's
In the
5G.
seat of my head.
Yes, 5Gs. Wow, it's really, you feel the pressure on your body, you feel the pressure in your head. Your head is spinning when you come a little closer. When it stops, the attraction,
You feel a little bit headache, but in the good manner.
yeah, it's really, really forceful. I knew I want to do this attraction because it's...
And now I understand why for moments it's a stop, because if it keep continuing and not stop, I
No,
don't know.
you can.
It's
You
too
can,
much.
No, you cannot hold it. I think.
No,
indeed,
really not.
indeed. So yeah, I'm really glad I did this attraction. I'm gonna do a lot of times again because it's really, really nice. If you have the opportunity, just do this attraction because this is a real nice
It's a
attraction.
different experience. I don't expect that, really. I'll be honest. I don't expect that.
Yeah, it
It's
looks.
nice, it's nice.
It looks very simple. It looks
Looks
very simple.
simple, but when you sit down and the attraction start, you can understand why.
Yeah, it's really, really forceful. So you have to keep your head
You
to
need
it.
to come and feel the experience for yourself.
Yes.
That's it.
So if you like this attraction or this video, just put your thumbs up and put a like and also put your comments below because we need you.
And see you soon in another adventure with Team Rides.
Yes. Bye bye.